Hey, Warren, greetings, Kung Fu Rider, Kung Fu Creative here. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on two types of kick. One is called the sickle kick, the other is called the Tigertail kick. The sickle kick is often referred to as the question mark kick. So here we go. I'm going to show you in steps. You got to work your crane stance. So make sure you come into a crane, you kick. You can go for the groin or you can just plant a ball of the foot kick. Pivot the hips so that the heel is pointing towards your target, and then release the foot, right? And you come back down. Now, that's the tiger tail or the question mark kick. So it looks like this, right? And then the sickle kick, or rather I'm sorry, I got that backwards, didn't I? That was the sickle kick, this sickle kick, right? The tiger tail kick is reversed. It comes up. You can set it up this way, or you can do this like what Bruce Lee used to do, just go ahead and let it fly. I always like to tell my beginning students to just practice setting it up, because it's a good way to set it up here and then come back here, okay? So yeah, I'll do it real quick for you, then you can go off and practice. So one, and then tiger tail. Okay, so that's my 1-minute tutorial. Get out there and practice, stay inspired and inspirational.